Now we will show you how to disassemble the turbo motor and find the possible failures. First, check the relief valve, whose main function is to regulate the pressure and used also as a safety valve. Check the main spool if it is stuck. If so, it may cause no turning one side or both sides. Check the check valve. The check valve is to keep one-way circulation and hydraulic oil stored for the motor running. The check valve is symmetrical and each side has one. Check if the valve plate is scratched. If so, it will cause oil leakage. It also separates high pressure and low pressure oil. Check the brake control spool, if stuck or not. The main function is to control the brake. Check snap ring for shaft. It needs to be installed in position, otherwise it will wear the valve plate. Check the brake piston and friction plates. They function as the brake of a motor. Check the cylinder block and see if there are any impurities in the hole and if there are scratches on the seal. Check the piston assembly if they are scratched and check if they are still flexible. Check the swash plate if there are scratches. For any damages on cylinder blocks, piston assembly, swash plate, they will lead to oil leakage, too much oil return, low working efficiency of motor.